Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. Today I've got another new to me product and I'd just like to share it with you. These are, I've already opened the boxes and I've got two of them on. Born Pretty is their Glitter Temptation series. I've got on my right hand Flower Gesture, which is BP GT02. It's like a really cool sheer glittery goodness polish. This is like totally Nails of Interest. And then I have on my left hand, also from the Glitter Temptation series, BP GT04 Stars and Moon. Look at that. It's just like this gorgeous silver color. And there's something special about these. I'm going to show you a picture of me wearing this one. This is number BP GT06 Cold Wind, and it looks just like in the bottle. I mean, of course, it's a regular polish. I've got it on a swatch stick here. And these happen to be peel off nail polishes. We know they're nail polishes because they're in clear. They're not gels. And I have to say, these are pretty. I'm not normally a normal nail polish wearer, especially for videos because it just takes so long to dry. But I have peeled off the black and I didn't let it dry all the way, so it was a little bit of chunky monkey. So let's see if I do any better. Let me get out a wood stick. It's not really like a rubber peel off. It's more like a smush off, I guess. At least on me. It does peel off. No acetone needed. It's weird. I don't get it. I thought it was because I didn't let it dry all the way the first time. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. I let this one dry thoroughly. It's been on over a day. It does peel off. Just incredibly hard to do on film without wobbling my camera all around. So as you can see, it does peel off. I've saved it here to just show you. I just had to put it closer to my body to peel it off. It does peel off, it just doesn't come off in a simple peel. At least for me, with hard gel on top, and I don't have their top coat on as well, so maybe it'll work better with their top coat or lasting a few more days. I did 2 swatches on this hand real fast in a row. That's pretty cool. I'd like to remind you that I do have a code for the Born Pretty store. It's NOI112. It's always listed down below for your convenience. It just saves both of us 10% on our orders. I'd like to thank everyone for being here with me today. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye-bye.